Welcome back. It's the start of the summer. It's just after the bank holiday, and we're going to be putting lights in this flower bed down here, all the way across here. And we've got some brick lights to put in at the front. We're going to have a brick light put in just here somewhere, and then we're going to have another one put in down there. We're going to drill a hole back, and we're going to run our NY wire behind there and clip it to the wall. We've got the same this side, so these are the brick lights they've supplied. So they're going to go in like that. So we've got one behind there, and we've got one there. The builders have got this cable here, so we've got an SWA coming into here. We're going to mount that onto there. We've got our first brick light over there, and our next one down there. We're going to run the cable into there, and then we've got a spike light here. So we're going to drill a hole down through that wall there, and we're going to go into the flower bed, across to here. There's another bit of armoured there, runs down there. We've got a light to put in, so we'll get that connected onto there. There's a spike light here, a spike light here, and there's one going down there. And then we've got another spike light just the other side of that pier lighting up that tree. Right, so let's get into this. I use a 7mm drill bit, drill a series of holes, and that is to open the brick from the inside going out. This prevents breaking all the mortar out. I drilled the back of the fittings out and put a whiskered gland in there to increase the IP rating, and both of the fixing holes had mastic sealed over them to help the IP rating. Each light took between 7 and 8 minutes, and they look pretty good at the end. I'm not sure what that white stuff is on the wall. Maybe you can put in the comments and tell me. So we've got the first brick light cut in there. We've got the second brick light cut in down there. So we're just initialising the system. Right, so there's all our flower bed lights, they're all on, our brick lights are all on, and we're going to get out of here. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. So if there's any content you guys want, just drop it in the comments or drop me an email, and I'll see what I can do.